Hey, how you doing? Now, I found this website on the back of Layer WP. He wrote a blog about this and he put it on Twitter and I saw it and I thought, hey, I gotta go and have a look at this. So I've put a link to his blog post in the description and a link to this website as well by someone called Ryan Robinson. This is not an affiliate or a sponsored post at all. I'm just doing this because I was a little bit intrigued. It's all about keyword research because some people on our live chat do say, hey, I'm struggling with my keywords or what to use, and I recommend some solutions out there. But this one is not a bad one, so we're going to try it out. As soon as you go to that link, okay, it basically says enter a keyword or a phrase. So let's go and enter one to do with web designers or something that you do. So how about small business websites? Let's hit go. It's going to go away and churn away now, and let's see what it does. So it's now telling me some of the keywords that are coming out and what the volume of them is. So it's saying here, this one here, best website builders for small businesses, 5.4. What does that mean? Is that a good thing? The estimated number of Google searches done for this key phrase or word each month. Well, that's pretty good. But then it says difficulty very high. How challenging it will be to rank on the first page. So that's kind of like, it puts you off a little bit, doesn't it? You kind of go, do you really want to go for that? Because I bet there's like 1,000 companies that are using that. But if I scroll down, I've got websites for small businesses UK. The volume is not so high, but the difficulty is low. This could really help you out because even though there's not a huge amount of volume, if you're very active, like you create a blog post with those keywords and you're sticking it on Twitter and LinkedIn and other places, there's a chance you are going to get found more than that one. So I know I'm contradicting myself over here with do you go with the very high or the low? I would say experiment and play around with it and try and see what's working for your best. And I'm going to click the light bulb next door to it because this is going to give me ideas and inspiration. Now we do have that option over here as well. And let's see what it does. General ideas are okay. How, what, when. It's now starting to give you blog post ideas. Let's have a look at one of the general ideas. Web design for small business UK, which is kind of similar to what we got here, but it's a general idea maybe. Or website costs. Let's go for that one. And taking me to another part of the website, and it now says generate ideas. This is pretty slick. We've gone from entering in a keyword to clicking on the light bulb to now generate ideas. I then picked one of the options, and now it's basically creating a blog title generator here for me. Look at this. What is the average cost? How much is the website? Blah, 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 blah. Look, I'm not going to read them all. It's pretty self-explanatory there, and you could then copy this. I mean, this is pretty neat. Generate more title. This is, I think, really, really neat if you're struggling to understand what your keywords are. You might not even have been thinking about a blog, but if you were going to do that, this now helps to steer you. Well, I'll tell you what, let's just take that word over there and let's jump over into ideas, okay? And this is now, I mean, I could have typed in anything I want. I could have put in a different phrase and then hit go. I've just gone in now with the original phrase we had and look at this again. So I might go with small business website examples. You click it, it takes you over there. You click generate ideas. Let me close down the other one. And it's now going to give me the titles. This is really, really quick. I mean, I'm telling you, this is pretty darn good. What if there's a landscape company that does garden fences and stuff like that? Let's just pop that in and see what we generate. That was actually quite quick. So it's now telling us which ones are low and which ones are medium. Now, I would say very high or high means you're competing against lots of people to get found. But medium and low is more of your sweet spot. So garden fencing, okay, that's a medium one. Fencing ideas for garden, that's a good one as well. But this one here has got like nearly 50,000 searches in the last month. Let's go and look at what the ideas are. So, garden fencing ideas. Okay, let's click that. And now we're going to generate a blog. It would be nice if it automatically generated the blog so you don't have to click or the link or the button to do that. But here you go. You could now either create a blog for these or you could also put this on your page. That's the other thing to think about. The blog title doesn't have to be a blog. There could be a part on your page, a section, a header, a H2 or a H3 header where you've said the benefits of installing a garden fence. Look at these, the pros and cons. This is giving you the headers that you could put in to start strengthening your website. Because when you do your sitemap and all of that, that's the whole point of why we do search engine optimization. The links for this are going to be in the video description. I think if you're trying to help someone out really, really quickly, this is really, really good. And it is free, okay? From what I can tell, it is free. Now, I am going to scroll down and just check, because I'm pretty sure there is a paid option as well, or something further. Now, here we go. This is a... No, well, I can't see a paid option here at all. No, I eat my words. It's free. Go away and use it. Hey, I'm Imran Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.